How to set the phone to automatically turn off the display while in standby mode on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Standby. Next, in here, tap on Display. Now if you do not see these options down here, make sure you toggle on Standby to switch it on. Then tap on Display. In here, go to the Turn Display Off section and make sure you select Automatically. If you select Never, then the phone will have your standby mode always stay on. Or if you select after 20 seconds, then your phone will automatically turn off after 20 seconds. Whereas if you choose automatically, the phone will determine if your phone is being used or not. If not, then it will intelligently automatically turn off the display. So see here, when set to automatically, the display will intelligently turn off. The iPhone is not in use and the room is dark. So one of the requirements is the room must be dark. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.